Good day. I am Jomar Bahante from the Philippines and one of the organizers of the Mid-Sea Summer School. Welcome to our pre-summer school training on R programming. In this short video, I am going to show you the basic structure of RStudio. When you open RStudio, you will see 3 or 4 panels. One is the script panel, which is like your notepad, then the console panel, then the panel with the environment tab, then the panel with files and plots tabs. If you don't have the script panel, you can click File, then New Script. In the console, you can already do R programming. However, it is advisable to use the script panel so later you can save your code, you can run a code line per line, or you can highlight the codes that you want to run. Now let us try selecting our working directory. Our working directory will be where our input and output files will be imported and exported. You can also copy-paste the set WD line so that next time you open RStudio, you just need to run this line instead of using the tabs. We can also import files from our working directory. Let us import the COVID-19 dataset from the Philippines. Sometimes, you need to wait depending on how your computer will read the file. Just follow the steps, then you can already view the dataset. Take note that you can also copy-paste the code from this to your script or notepad, so that next time you can just use this code to run or read the COVID-19 dataset. It is important to note that often we need to use packages. Example, we need the readr package to run or import CSV files. Now you can already see your dataset. Then you can also save your file. Now, let us try running a code on SIR simulation. You can copy-paste the code shown in the website. Here, you can run part by part, or you can run the code as a whole. But before we run the code, of course, we need to clear first our console and the environment. Now, let's simulate. You can continue with the next task and enjoy coding. See you in Yogyakarta.